So here's that class notebook that we just created, and it's slightly different from our OneNote because we have this class notebook extension up here that when I click on it, it gives me different options that otherwise weren't available. So when you first log in to your new notebook, it gives you a bunch of information right off the bat, and I encourage you, if you have the time, to go through and read it. There's the teacher training, student training, OneNote basics, there's frequently asked questions, and there's a staff notebook, which we'll go into more later. In the meanwhile, I just want to walk through the steps of how to create a new section, how to create a new page, and then how to distribute pages or sections to your students. So if I'm in my collaboration space and I want to add a new section, I would click on New Section, and this would just be whatever you want to title it, and then it already launches with an untitled page. Same thing for the content library. So again, OneNote already provides the information on how to use this. I would click on New Section and then title this whatever you'd like, and then add it in. And it's the same thing for pages. Anytime I want to add a new page, I would just click New Page, New Page, New Page. To delete, you can either right-click and do Delete Page. I actually think that's the only way that I know how to do it really quickly, but if you know a different way, let me know. So I'm going to permanently delete it. For my untitled page, I'm going to title this Sample Handout. Within my sample handout, again, you can upload pictures, you can do whatever, anything that you've done in your OneNote you can do here. And to distribute my page to my students, I would do Distribute Page. This whole menu will pop up. I want to decide where it's going. I'm in my handouts, so I'll click on Handouts and then click Distribute. It'll think about it. It'll give you a little progress bar, and now it's done. So now, when I go into my student notebook, into Handouts, here's my sample handout. You can do that with sections, and then as your student works, you can review student work by clicking on Review Student Work, choosing the section, and then choosing the student. Choosing the distributed page, and then choosing the student. And Ash hasn't worked on this at all, so there's nothing to review. But those are the basics.